Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing how to draft your armhole without squeezing. So watch me closely. So first of all, you take your back measurement, divide by 2, then add half inches to it. Your shoulder divide by 2 plus half. That's what you measure here. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So your shoulder divide by 2 plus half. That's what you're going to do here. Then you measure your shoulder slope. Measure your shoulder slope. The shoulder slope will be 2.5 inches. If the person's shoulder is very slopey, you can make it 3 inches. So from there, you take your armhole length, which is 7. I use 7. Everybody have their own pattern, but I use 7 inches. So you measure 7 inches at that side. So the measurement of your shoulder divided by 2, you bring it down to this line. Your shoulder divided by 2 plus half. You measure the same thing on this line. Then you connect the lines together to have a straight line. That's from the shoulder to the chest line. You connect the line, straight line, just like this. The same way I'm doing it. You connect it. So after that, you connect your shoulder slant with your neck measurement. With your neck, so you connect your shoulder slant to your neck like that. Then you divide your armhole length divided by 2. The midpoint, you mark it. You divide that 7 divided by 2. You mark it. Then you measure 1 inches inward like this. You measure 1 inches inward. So this 1 inches now, that is what will take away those folding, those squeezing at the armhole region. So this curve that I'm marking now, that is what will take it away. So you curve it out like this. So that piece that will curve now, that is what will take away those squeezing at the armhole. So now you measure your chest measurement plus your sewing allowance. Depending on how you do your own clothes, measure your shoulder divided by 4 plus your allowance. I use shoulder divided by 4 plus 1. So you divide your shoulder divided by 4 plus 1. Like that. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to my page, to my YouTube page, for more videos like this. So as I was saying, divide your shoulder by 4 plus 1 inches. So do the same thing to achieve a good result. So you have to do the same thing just like this. So as you can see how curvy it is. You have to make it curve. So the more the curve come out, that is how your armhole will be smooth. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'll be cutting it out now. Your cutting has to be smooth as well, smooth and neat. So watch me as I cut. You can also cut your own as well. So here now, this is the front pattern. We have cut it out. So you fold your back pattern also and place the front on it. This is the front, so I'm placing on the back. So at the neck region, you measure 3 inches. So at the shoulder part, you measure 3 inches as well. As you can see, 3 inches, 3 inches. Then you connect the lines together to achieve a straight line, a slant line at the shoulder point. So this is one of the things that will also eliminate those squeezing at the armpit and the armhole region, the armhole and the shoulder slant. These are the things that help to take away those squeezing part of the shoulder, of the armhole. So after having done that, cut out your back, cut it out. As I'm watching the videos, you can also cut your own as well. So make sure that your cutting is neat. So as I was saying, is the shoulder slant and the armhole part, that curvy part, that is what will make your work to be neat, to avoid those squeezing at the neck. Most persons, they don't put shoulder slant on their clothes. They don't put shoulder slant on their clothes. That is why their clothes will look as if they are dragging the cloth on their neck. When two persons are fighting, you now look as if someone is dragging the cloth on you. So when your clothes have a shoulder slant, it will also eliminate all those squeezing at the armpit region. So as you can see, we are done with this. Simple as that. So like if you cut your clothes the same way I did mine, your clothes won't squeeze anymore at the armpit. If you do it the same way if you follow the method that I just taught you now, I just teach you now, your arm. So measure your armhole. You have to measure your armhole the way I measured mine, because we'll be using that to cut out the sleeve. So I have to measure it and put it down somewhere. So I folded my sleeve. The armhole I measured was 11, so you minus 1 to make it 10. So minus 1 to make it 10. If your armhole is 11 from the cutting, you minus 1 at the sleeve part and make it 10. So do as I did mine also. Hope you can see what I'm doing. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe. So at this point now, you measure 4 inches to get the curve, to get the sleeve curve. So at this point, you draw something like as if you are drawing letter S. Hope you are seeing the way I'm drawing mine. So draw a letter S figure shape like that after measuring the 4 inches. So with this like this now, this one will also help to eliminate every squeezing or rumpling at the armpit region. So after that, just take your normal sleeve length and do other things. But the major focus of this video is the cutting of the armpits to have a perfect fit. So this one is not part of the video. Our focus is drafting of the armhole. So just take your normal sleeve measurement. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, comment. If you have any question, ask me a question. I will answer you. I will answer your question. For those that ask question, we post video like this in this page. So always check our page for more educative video like this. So this is my sleeve that I'm drafting. This sleeve drafting is not part of the video, so just focus on the armhole. I believe you can draft your sleeve already. So this is just like a bonus. So as you can see, you connect the lines together the same way you connect your sleeve line. Connect it together like this, then you are good to go. If you don't understand the video, watch it again, rewatch it until you understand it. Rewatch it as many times as possible. And if you have any question, drop your question in the comment box. I will attend to it as soon as possible. I'll attend to them. So cut out the sleeve, cut it out. So in my next video, I'll be explaining how to draft a perfect sleeve, a perfect long sleeve. So watch out for my next video. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you. God bless you.